Everyone who is preparing for UPSC examination, they know very well what is the importance of NCERTs. And when it comes to NCERTs, where candidates get stuck off is how to effectively revise these NCERTs in 30 days. So today's video is going to be all about that. Hello students, welcome back. I wanted to start off with a small incident which happened in the life of Usain Bolt. When he was initially appearing for the Olympics, in his early stage of his life, he could not even qualify for the final round and he faced a big failure initially. And he went to the practice session, he took the help of a coach, and along with him, he went for very rigorous training session. And in the training session, what happened is that he practiced almost for 4 years, practicing to run on the track only for 9 seconds. And after winning the world, especially the Olympic medal, and he gave one interview. In that he said he practiced how much hard, especially to run only for 9 seconds on the field. He practiced for 4 years. And he said today most of the people are just quitting for just after trying something for 4 months. The same manner when it comes to NCERTs, we all know very well how much it is very important for UPSC. But what we really lack is the capability of revising that properly and remembering that effectively and taking it to the examination hall in a proper manner. So to do all these things, you need proper strategy to do effectively in 30 days. So let me give you a roadmap. Accordingly, you can strategize your preparation when it comes to revising the NCERTs. So the core NCERTs you know very well are the core subjects in UPSC prelims as well as mains examination is geography, polity and economy. So when it comes to geography NCERT, you can spend 7 days for revising that or reading and revising that. And when it comes to economy, you can allot 5 days for revising the economic NCERTs. And when it comes to polity, you can allot 3 days. So for geography, polity, economy, these 3 subjects, 15 days will be over. And for the remaining subjects, history, you can allot 7 days. And art and culture, you can allot 2 days. And then when it comes to science NCERTs, you can allot 3 days. So you will be left out with remaining 3 days. Those 3 days you can allot for revision of all the NCERTs as well as practicing mock test on this test, especially the NCERTs, whatever you have read. So after completing that, while reading the NCERTs also, I wanted to give some inputs, especially that will help you to prepare effectively. Whenever you are reading the NCERTs, try to prioritize the NCERTs. As I said earlier in this video, the geography, polity, economy are the core subjects, are the core areas we know very well, which UPSC will be asking a lot of questions from this subject. In the same manner, start off with this prioritizing the NCERTs along with prioritizing the subjects. And whenever you are reading the NCERTs, try to highlight the important data, diagrams, concepts. And whenever you are reading all this, after highlighting it, when it comes to the revision, you can work especially on whatever you have underlined only, so that it will save a lot of time and you can also remember the things in an easy manner. So in this way, if you read and strategize your preparation, what Usain Bolt said also, if you include in your preparation process, that is having the passions and consistency in your practice session, really you can make plenty lot of difference in your preparation process to come out successfully in this examination. Along with that, if you have any further doubts or challenges in covering any particular NCERTs, you can comment on that in the comment section below. I will try to give my inputs on that. Thank you, students.